In this video, we'll show how to use your own Zotero library in Gatsbi Reviewer. Instead of using Gatsbi's automatic search and screening process, you can import a literature list that you have already collected and managed in Zotero. This workflow can be used to generate a draft for either a systematic review or a meta-analysis. In the Reviewer input box, click the plus button, then select Import Literature from Zotero. This will open the Zotero import wizard. First, enter your research topic and research question. Remember to tick the meta-analysis checkbox if you want to run a meta-analysis workflow. Next, choose whether you want to import from a local Zotero library or a cloud Zotero library. If you choose the cloud library option, you will need to log in and authorize access to your Zotero account. After authorization, Gatsbi will load your Zotero library. Once the library is loaded, you will see your Zotero collections and paper list. You can choose to import an entire collection or manually select individual papers from your library. After selecting the papers, you need to provide a detailed review protocol. The protocol helps the system understand how the literature list was created. You can provide information such as the filters applied, search strategy, inclusion and exclusion criteria, and databases searched. In addition, you will need to provide the Prisma process data. This information will be used later when Gatsbi writes the methods section. Providing accurate Prisma data helps make the final manuscript more complete and transparent. After completing the setup, click Submit. The import process may take a little time. Once it is finished, Gatsbi will generate a summary and return the imported literature list for you to review. From this point onward, the workflow is the same as the regular systematic review or meta-analysis process. You can review the included studies, make adjustments if needed, and then click Synthesize to continue. For the following steps, including synthesis and manuscript writing, you can refer to the previous videos for the systematic review or meta-analysis workflows.